One-way tables. We can also present data in the form of a table. So we finished last week how to present a table, a data or data in the form of pictogram. Okay, we finished how to present data in the form of pictogram last week. Tabulated data enables us to examine the details and make comparisons easily. A one-way table displays the information of a single categorical data. So that's what it's mean. Single categorical data, not multiple. So it's called one-way table. Okay. For example, we can present the following information on the number of tourists from different countries who visited the museum in January in a one-way table. Okay. Our first example is Malaysia. There are 190 tourists. Okay, so Malaysia, 190 tourists. Singapore, 365. So 365. Indonesia, 274. And China, 428. Okay, so look, when we draw or make a table, you should have, the first one is, you listen to teacher. Whose mic is on? Turn off your microphone. Okay, so the first thing to do when you are creating a table is the title. This is the title. So 1 point. And then the second is the description of the first column. What is column? The line, the vertical line, this one. Okay. So what is this all about? This is country. This our country, I mean. And what is the second column all about? What are these numbers all about? These are the number of tourists. So if I ask you to make a table or draw a table, I'm going to see the title, 1 point, the description of the first column, another 1 point, the description of the second column, that's 3rd point, and of course, the details or the information, 1 point and 1 point. So in the test or in the quiz, you will get 5 points. Okay. Now, from the table, let's answer or let us state some information. Okay. First information, there are 190 tourists from Malaysia. Correct. Correct. Okay, second information, there are 365 tourists from Singapore. Correct. Easy breezy. A total of 1,257 tourists from 4 countries. So if you're going to add this, you will get 1,257. Okay, so 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 9, 8, 7. This is 7. Carry 1, 10, 16, 23, 25. This is 5. Carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 8, 12. Oh, it's correct. The information tabulated or presented in the table is correct, 1,257. Okay, next. There are 154 more tourists from China than from Indonesia. Where is Indonesia and China? You have to compare China, this, so this. So when you compare class, 274 and 428, you subtract 274 from bigger number 428. So when we subtract 428, okay, 428 minus 274, it's equal to 154. So therefore, this information is correct. Okay, next. The greatest number of tourists who visited the museum were from China. Let me see. Correct. Okay, so that is also correct. And then the last information. The arrangement of the countries based on the number of tourists in ascending order is in Thai language, Noi Pai Mak. Malaysia. Malaysia first, 190. Nit Diao. Nit Tisut. Next is Indonesia. Indonesia. Is it correct? Yes. And then Singapore is the third. Yes. And China has the greatest number of tourists. Do you know what is a tourist, Curb? What is a tourist?
Yes.
What?
It's people who travel around the world.
Have you been a tourist before?
Yeah.
Where? What country did you visit?
I went to Pattaya.
You're a tourist from to Pattaya.
I'm not a
Okay.
tourist. I'm a normal people.
How about going abroad?
I went to Pattaya.
How about overseas or abroad? Have you been to any other Asian country or Europe? Not yet.
I go to Japan. I go around the Thailand. I went to Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and England. May I go to Thailand, please? I will not go to England. I cannot. I went to
Okay.
Japan and Chinese.
Wow. So Tengkwa had been to many places. Oh, I'm in bias. I'm in bias.
I go around the Thailand, only go around the Thailand.
It's all right. You're still a kid. But when you grow up, you can travel around the world. Okay, so stop talking now. Thank you. You enjoy talking with teacher, right? Okay. Now let's go back to our lesson. Okay. So now on practice page 211, you have to draw. Get your pencils. Get your pencils and draw. First, what should you do? You have to write the title, right? So what should be the title of this? Number of so since this is a title, you have to capitalize some words.
This one.
Yeah, magazines sold at a bookstore. Everyone should work. Okay. Proton, are you tired? If you're tired, Proton, you can memorize what I am writing right now, and then you can do it later. Okay.
This one, teacher.
Get your pencils if you are not tired, and then write the title. Okay. And then next is the row. You have to draw a row like this. One row. Okay, so I drew one row. Then second row.
Teacher, I draw only 4.
It should be 5. It should be 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4 comic, entertainment, family, sport. 4. You add always 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to add 1. Why? Because what is this comic, entertainment, family, and sport all about? What are these? These are the kind of magazine. So now you have to divide this into 2 parts, 2 columns. Okay, like this. Okay, I don't care if your drawing is ugly, but make sure that your answer is correct. Okay. So first, you need to write the title of this column. The title of this column or the description of this column is the type of magazine. So just write magazine is correct. Magazine or the name of the magazine. And then the second column is just write the number of magazines sold? Sold. Okay. So since this is not a title, small letter M is okay. So 3 points already. You've got 3 points already if you finish this. Okay. June is working. Very good. She's not tired. And Shib also, I can see him working so hard. Very good. And Proton. Okay. Okay. And MK, nice haircut. And nice. And Namon. And Java. And who is this dog? Dog background.
Cheetah too.
Okay, you have a pet. Locho, Namcha, Ongsa, Ploy, who are my lovely students today. Per, Ploy, Song, Honey, Prim, Rio. Oh, Rio is hiding from Teacher Chris. Chiga also is hiding from Teacher Chris. Rio, I can see now. Oche is hiding from Teacher Chris. And Supreme is hiding from Teacher Chris.
I have 3 dogs.
Can you give me one?
No. But I have 5 dogs. My house has many dogs.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Teacher, I have 3 dogs and I have 100 dogs.
Okay, dogs or pets are not allowed in our apartment. Okay.
My 1 dog is.
Here you go
Teacher,
again.
the dog is
Okay.
already died.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Whenever teacher tells something, you are going to talk a lot. So let's go back to our lesson. Okay. 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 So the first kind of magazine is comic. C-O-M-I-C. The second one is entertainment. You know, comic books are like superheroes, Superman, Iron Man, Batman, or comic books. While entertainment about your favorite superstars, Dara, and entertainment. Okay, next. Next is family. About gardening or about family. Okay, about party, about family. And then the last is sport. Okay, sport. Next. How many number of comic magazine? 283. So 283. Okay, next. Entertainment 452. 452. Tetas, can you say easy breezy?
Tetas is not near. Yes, Teta is not here.
Curve.
Seven.
I'm sorry, I'm confused. Okay, Curve, you say easy breezy.
Easy busy.
335. Okay, and then next 167. 167. Okay. So if you are done with this, you are going to check like this. This is 1 point. This is also 1 point. See? So you have to check by yourself, class. So if I'm going to have a red pen here, so the title is 1 point. The name of the column of the first column is also 1 point. The name of the second column is another 1 point. So that's 3 points now. And then this one, the information is 1 point, 4 points. And of course, the quantity or the number of magazines sold, 4. So you have to write 5 points. Yay, you got 5 points today because Teacher Chris helped you. Okay, and you are hardworking today. Okay, so
yes, Teacher Chris, you should help A, B, C, D too.
Okay, if we go to school, Teacher Chris will see the page, this page. Okay, you should not skip any page. Okay, you should not skip any page that I discuss or we learn. So on page 211 still, okay, we can answer now the question. What is the question? Based on the table, okay, based on the table, how many sport magazines were sold in the bookshop? Who wants to answer?
167.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Easy breezy. Okay.
167.
Do not answer 167. It's a short answer. So, because look at the blank. It's
There are 167 sport magazines. There were. There were 167 magazines.
Sport
magazine were
sold in the bookshop. Okay. Is the space enough?
Teacher, can I write there were 167 sport magazines were sold?
Okay, yes, that's accepted. Yeah. Okay, that is accepted. That is still a perfect English grammar. Teacher Gary, Teacher Aaron will not get angry. Okay, next, letter B. What is the difference between the number of comic magazines and entertainment magazines sold? So look at comic magazines and entertainment. So this one, I'm going to draw a rectangle so you can see this. Look, can you see what I am enclosing right now using a rectangle? So what is 452 minus 283? So I need a short, I need a scratch paper here below. Wait, I'm going to write a scratch paper. 452 first, 452 minus 283 equals, so 1, 5 becomes 4, 14, so 6, 2 become 12, 9, 169. Yes or no?
Yes.
So how can we make a sentence out of this 169?
The difference between the number of comic magazine.
It's very long. So you can just say the difference.
The difference of
Yes.
magazine.
I think this is accepted already. Boop.
I write like this.
Yes, you can write like that. Okay. Because your fingers are tired. The difference is 169. It's all right. Is that a complete sentence or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
A complete sentence.
It is a complete sentence, but it's not super long. And it's not also super short. It's normal. Okay, let's see. How many magazines in total were sold in the bookshop? Oh my God, we're going to do the scratch paper again. So we're going to add this one. 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7. So, okay, let me do the scratch paper on the right side of this page. Okay, let me write. Okay, so 283 plus 452 plus 335. Correct me if I'm wrong, 167 equals, okay. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 17. So that's 7. Okay. And then carry 1. 9, 14, 17, 23. So carry 2. 2, 4, 8, 11, 12. Okay, so 1,237. Is teacher correct?
Yes. Yes.
You trust teacher Chris? Do you trust teacher Chris?
Yes.
Do you trust teacher Chris?
Yes.
Okay.
And the answer is they were total is 1,237 sold in the bookshop.
Very good. So the total is, I like the total is 1,237.
1,237.
Full
Only.
stop. Yes, because I am tired already, and you are tired too. So that is accepted.
Teacher
Yeah.
Chris, can I write? There were 1,237 magazines sold in the bookshop.
Very nice, Ploy. Yes, clap your hands for me. I like that. Yeah, very nice answer. Very long. I love it. Okay, but the total is 1,237 is already accepted. Okay, which letter D? Which type of magazine was the most popular?
Entertainment magazine was the most popular.
Okay, or the most popular, the most popular magazine was the most popular type of magazine, oh, very long, type of magazine was entertainment. Okay, if you don't like this sentence construction, you can change like this. Entertainment was the most popular. That's it's okay. Was the most popular. Okay, sorry. Okay, I was in a hurry. Okay.
Can I write internet magazine was the most popular?
Correct. Look at my answer. We have the same answer curve. Now.
I write the most popular type of magazine. But I write information was the most popular magazine.
Yes. Okay, now you have to tick this one. Draw. You have learned how to draw pictograms, right? Okay, you tick.
Yes.
And then you have learned also today how to read and write one-way table, right? You tick. Now you are ready to do by yourselves our workbook. Okay.
Oh.
Up.
Oh.
Up. You have to check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. You write 4 here.
What page? Teacher Chris in workbook.
Where is my workbook? Where is my workbook? Okay.
Page 157.
Yes.
Yes. Already.
You write here 9/9. 9/9.
Who is that? No. Grace.
Now you're very noisy. That's why teacher Chris muted you all automatically because you are hurting our ears. So I have to mute you all. There is a ghost. You just have to show thumbs up now because you cannot answer. So if you say yes, you cannot talk now because I mute you all. You have to say like this if you say yes. Are you finished? Yes. You show your thumbs up. Okay. Now let's go to our workbook. Okay. So if time is not enough, we still have 40 minutes, I think. Then you come back. Okay, there are only 2 pages. So we have to finish. Okay. On page, what page is that? Okay, 157 class. On page 157. Based on the table below, answer the following questions. The following table shows the number of cookies baked by 5 students. Easy breezy, right, June? June, answer teacher.
Yes.
Unmute yourself. Okay, how about Muk Jing Supatada? Is it easy? Yes. How about Java? Java, is it easy?
Yes.
Okay. So do you need my help, or you can do it by yourself? Okay, so this is our deal. If you are finished today, no homework, clap, clap, clap. If you're not finished today, you have homework, clap, clap, clap. Okay, so you need to do it now. So that no homework. And then if you go to school, you present everything to teacher. Notebook, textbook, workbook. Okay. Who baked the most number of cookies? I'm going to answer now. It's obviously, who is this? My where is my glass? Wait. I need to wear my glass. Okay. Okay. So, the number of cookies baked the most is Penny. Okay, Penny. I write Penny. Penny baked the most number of cookies. Penny baked the most number of cookies. Okay, next. Who baked the least number of cookies? It's